Hello and welcome to Console Cowboys. So the background of why I'm doing what I'm doing right now is when we were analyzing that malicious smart contract, we were able to deobfuscate it and extract this particular address, which is being used by the attacker. Now, when we looked at it initially, it was about 0.14 Ether, and now it's 15.9 Ether at about $25,000. Now, if you remember me saying in the video, the previous contract address, I didn't realize it was a different address at the time, actually had about $20,000 in it. Then what I did was loaded back the file again later on, and I noticed that there's another new address in here. So the attacker is rotating or just creating new addresses and importing them into this document, assuming so that these addresses don't get frozen, are a little less obvious of what he's doing and how much he's actually accumulating. What we're gonna do is code some stuff to actually keep extracting these addresses as they're changed. Then once we get a good compiled list of addresses, we are going to start analyzing transactions and values of each of these contracts and just getting an idea of, all the addresses the attacker's using, where he's sending things, and how much money he's actually accumulating from this particular scam. These types of projects are fun to see what's going on and also give you the ability to program interesting things and correlate some data, fun research and development projects. So in the next video, I'm now going to show you the code that I wrote that actually extracts these addresses and monitors this file. I'll walk you through how it works, and then if you want more info, you can check the videos after that that show how I coded it before we go to the next part.